Johnny Rubio writes, question, I have noticed great upgrades to the FX SVHO non-cruiser that you have chose. What are the issues that they have? I do know about the fuel gauge alarm going off prematurely. Anything else? The fact that they still use automotive paint for the hull. Soft paint. It's not going to crack or spiderweb like it did on the Nano because the fiberglass, the SMC fiberglass, is not flexing. It's not oil canning as much as the Nano did. And because of that, with the Nano was thin and the Nano would flex and the paint would crack, then water would intrude and it'd peel the paint off, and then you delaminate hull. Now you're just finding guys who run them up the banks or run up the bunks of the bunks of their trailer or up sand, up on a beach, and they scrape the hell out of their paint and they're like, what happened? It's like, it's automotive paint, dude. I'm like, if I took the hood off your car and dragged it up a beach, how do you think it would look? Yeah, exactly. That's what it is. It's automotive paint. Besides that, I spiritually hate the microphone. I spiritually hate the whole receive a text message through your dashboard on your ski. It's antithetical to everything that is jet skiing. And I know there's people like, I like it. I'm like, I'm sure you do. It's great. Okay. You're not a jet skier. You're a tourist. Oh, it's so mean, Kevin. You're such an a-hole. Yeah, okay.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.